कहाँ पे था? पुग्गा वैली। कभी भी मेंस लिख रहे हो, कहीं भी लिख रहे हो, द जियोथर्मल एनर्जी इज वन ऑफ द अल्टरनेटिव सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, so that you can produce energy, and it is also known as what? Renewable source of energy. You can what is in a produce. And if you'll go in the Manali, nearby Manali आप जाते हो तो वहाँ पर एक in the mountainous region there is one Gurudwara and its name is Manikaran. And वहाँ पर from the down hot water used to come. Understood? And that hot water say what they are producing? Electricity. So the whole Gurudwara is having electricity with the help of this one. And then they are also giving to the Manali side. So I said that geothermal energy in Kullu and Manali, what is the name? Manikaran. It's itself a Manikaran Gurudwara. Understood? And ये शिव जी के नाम पर पड़ा हुआ मणि. Understood? And there is some story is there. What is the शिव जी and Parvati and all. इसीलिए गर्म पानी आ रहा है. So हमारा mythology में some story comes out. But it is in a geologically some below rock and hot it is coming out. So geothermal energy, can you remember? Thereafter I am going to see lakes in Himachal Pradesh. Lakes in Himachal Pradesh. Lakes in Himachal Pradesh. ध्यान से याद करेंगे. Thereafter, in this the lakes are more than Jammu and Kashmir. Understood? Lakes are more than Jammu and Kashmir. I said that first Suraj. Which are the two heavenly bodies surrounding the earth that you used to see? Sun and Moon. इसी के नाम पे दो है. Suraj Tal and Chandra Tal. Which are the two lakes I said that? And Chandratal. And Chandratal lake is wetland. And Chandratal lake is, पहले कौन सा एक और wetland देख चुके हैं हम लोग? Wetland. Pong Dam और महाराणा प्रताप सागर. याद है ना? Pong Dam और महाराणा प्रताप सागर. Understood? So which are the two lakes we are watching? सूरज ताल and Chandratal. Getting my point? And जिसके घर में सूरज होगा, सूरज समझते हैं आप? अच्छा बेटा और अच्छी बेटी. अंडरस्टूड? बेटा भले ही ने पाले, बेटी तो जरूर पालती है. तो बेटी उसके घर में धन रहेगा. यस, लॉट्स ऑफ वेल्थ. धनकर लेक. सो विच आर द थ्री लेक्स इन लाहौल एंड स्पीति? सूरज ताल, चंद्र ताल एंड धनकर लेक. एंड विच लेक इज वेटलैंड? Chandratal. Which lake is wetland? Chandratal. Understood? And which three region having largest ecosystem? Yes, tell me. Wetland, mangrove nahi, corals, thereafter evergreen forest. Which are the three I said that? दिमाग में हमेशा रखे. Evergreen forest. कल बताते समय बताया था. And the mangroves are also wetland. Clear? Not all mangroves can never be in a wetland. All lakes can never be in a wetland. It should what? Survive lots of ecosystem. Then it can be converted into. Then there will be study will be done. Yes, यहाँ पे कैसा system है? क्या ये it is making the things to be what is in a purifying or not? It is acting as a kidney of nature or not? Yes, can we make the flood water to move toward this? Can it what is an absorb like a sponge or not? Sponge पानी को absorb कर लेता है. And in the dry condition it is giving the water upward or not? So several things are there we need to know. There is an environmental impact, there is an environmentally, economically, socially, what are the things are there. Then we will see in the what? Other classes, environment ecology and all. So I said that, which are the three I said that? Suraj Tal, Chandra Tal and Dhankar. And if you are going towards the Kullu, in Kullu there are the two lakes are there. And then, yes, in the Kullu, one it is the Ser. और शेर लोग डरते नहीं है कुल्ला करने से. समझ में आ रहा है ना? सो और वो जब कुल्ला करते हैं तो दूसरे को क्या करते हैं? पानी दूसरे के ऊपर चलता है एंड सामने वाला बंदा भीग जाता है. गेट वेट बाय द वाटर. भृगु लेक. सो विच आर द टू लेक्स इन द कुल्लू? सेरू वल्सर एंड भृगु लेक. विच आर आई सेड दैट? सेरू वल्सर एंड भृगु लेक. कैन यू रिमेंबर इन योर माइंड? Which are the two lakes I said that? Seru Valsar and Bhrigu Lake. दिमाग पे जितना जोर देंगे, you know that exam में your motto is to clear this examination. Notes तो आप बहुत सारे बना लोगे. ऐसा notes तो आपको यहाँ पे सारा लिखा हुआ भी. It is already written. It is there. You can take these notes also. You can go and prepare yourself. But what is your motto? Understand it and then give the examination properly. और ये आप जानते हैं यहाँ से कौन सा it is middle, it is Greater Himalaya. This one is the Jasper and here it is what? Middle Himalayas. तो यदि कभी आपको पूछ दिया जाए which lake? Bhrigu Lake and then which one? Serivalsar. वो किस हिमालय पे है? Greater Himalayas. On which Himalayas? तो ये आपके पास terms हैं that you have to write down. I have said that which lake is, which mountain range? Jaskar. So ये lakes कहाँ पे थे? Nearby Jaskar. Understood? And which are the lakes? Surastal, Chandratal, Dhankar. Understood? And here which river, which mountain range? And which one is this? That is an Dhauladhar. And this one is Shivalik. नाम क्या है? D for Dhauladhar, D for Dhulwa. Understood it? I said that शेर क्या है? सामने वालों को भिगा देता है. Mandi. You know that in our India, around 1/3 of the population is below the 35 years of age. 1/3 population means highly productive age, and then India's growth is also very. Yes, they are ready to produce the population also, and they are ready toward also the making the India to develop also. So I said that मंडी समझते हैं? Large things are there. और हम unmarried boys को क्या बोलते हैं? Unmarried boys को क्या बोला जाता है? कुमार. क्या बोलते हैं? So बहुत सारे मंडी है कुमारों की, कुमारवा. I said that, and then एक कुमार है जिसका नाम है पराशर. So in the Mandi district, which are the two famous lakes? Kumarwa, Parashar. Kumarwa Lake and Parashar Lake. Kumarwa Lake and Parashar. Can you remember? Kumarwa Lake and Parashar. Thereafter I am coming for, I said that this is completely okay. So which are the 7 lakes we have seen till now? Surastal, Chandratal, Dhankar, Seruvalsar, Bhrigu, Kumarwa, Parashar. Can you remember? आपको याद हो भाखड़ा, नाथपा, भाखड़ा, नांगल. Bhakra is also known as Govind Sagar Lake. Yes, in the Bilaspur district. So in the Bilaspur district, which lake we have seen? Bhakra Dam is also known as Govind Sagar. Yes. Can you remember in your mind? Yes, याद होगा आपको. Another, so 8 lakes we have till now we have seen. Next one I said that, yes, in the Kangra district, perhaps you know that which river is going on? Ravi, Byas river, and Byas पे क्या है? Pong Dam. And Pong Dam, it is known as Maharana Pratap Sagar. So now which lake is this? Maharana Pratap Sagar Lake. Understood? In the which? In the Dharmsala, the near Dharmsala in the Kangra district. Okay, yes, till now we have seen 9 lakes. And 10th lake you also know that. On the Ravi river, it is going like this. Here it is in a Chamera Dam. And thereafter it is what? Theen Dam. So ये तो पंजाब में आ गया. So which dam is there? Theen, it's Chamera. So which lake is there? Can you remember? Yes. So which are the lakes we have seen till now? Tell me first. Surastal, Chandratal, Dhankar, then in the and then in the Kullu, Serivalsar, Bhrigu, and in the Mandi, Kumarwa, and then Parashar. And in the Bilaspur, Bhakra Dam is Govind Sagar, and then we have seen Maharana Pratap Sagar in the, I said, Kangra. और चंबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में विच? चमेरा लेक. Completely okay? Yes. Now we are going to say some 5 other lakes so that you can remember, and it is only in the Chamba district. पहले ध्यान से you have to attentively you have to listen me. Lamadal, Nagdal, Khajjar. Which are I said that? Lamadal, Nagdal, Khajjar. Lamadal in the Chamba district. Lamadal, Nagdal, Khajjar, and then I said that there is I said Mahakali and Mani Mahesh. Understood? Which are the 5 lakes? Lamadal, Nagdal, Khajjar. Yes? Lamadal, Nagdal, Khajjar. Can you समझ में आ गया? Lamadal, Nagdal, Khajjar. And then I said that Mahakali. And then Mani Mahesh. Understood? Lama, जानते who is Lama? Buddhist monks and all that religious group. Not all the monks. And then Lama, आगे कौन सा है? नाग. Yes? Lama इंडिया में एंट्री मार लिया. Like a refugee. And then they come with the 1 lakh refugee, and the world is saying that how 1 lakh Tibetan we have given the refugee, and then they are in India. At the time of 1971, Bangladesh around 1 crore something people migrated in India, and then Rohingya को लेकर आप लोग बोलते हैं कि नहीं. And so we have an also our internal security concern is also there. So this year possibly the question it will be related to internal security. And that is this kind of thing will be there. Understood? So I said that तो कभी भी कोई चीज को पढ़ेंगे and when you know the syllabus you can be able to correct. तो लामा और नाग क्या लिए हुए हैं? खंजर लिए हुए. क्या लिए हुए? खंजर समझते हैं? खंजर मीन्स चाकू. Yes, नाग तो ऐसे ही चाकू लेके घूमता है. So I said the lama and I said that lama and nag. Understood? खंजर लिए हुए हैं. And where is Ma Kali? There will be Mahesh, must be. जहाँ पे माँ काली होंगी वहाँ the same we can be able to see Mahesh. Understood? So which are the except Chamera in the Chamba, which are the 5 legs? Lamadal, Nagdal, Khajjar. And then I said that which? Mahakali, Mani Mahesh. Understood it? Yes. In the metro cities and several metro cities, there is one problem in the POS area. It is happening when the girls and women are living in the houses. There is always security should be maintained. Otherwise, what happens? Somebody can enter. Ki, madam, I'm purchasing. Just look at it for few minutes and all. So बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं. Yes. So I said that यहाँ पर भी तो आप क्या बोलोगे? One girl name is Renu. What is the name of girl? Renu. और उसको मैं बोल कर गया ना खोलो. क्या खोलना? नहीं खोलना. ना खोल रेणुका. So I said that in the Kinnaur district na khol and in the Sirmaur district Renuka lake. Kinnaur district में na khol and then Sirmaur district में Renuka lake, and Renuka lake is in a wetland. Renuka lake is in a what? And this is the last lake we have seen. I said that total 17 lakes we have seen. I said that which are? I said that Suraj Tal, Chandra Tal, Dhankar. Completely okay. Then coming down in there Seru Valsar, Brigu, Kumarwa, Prashar. Kumar का नाम क्या था? Prashar. Then we have seen, I said Govind Sagar, Maharana Pratap Sagar, दो बड़े name, and then Chamera. It is clear. Then we have seen 5 lakes: Lamadal, Nagdal, Khajjar, and Mahakali, Mahesh, Mani Mahesh. Then I said Nakol, Renuka. And then Chandratal is in a wetland. And I said that Renuka lake is in a wetland. And then I said that here it is which one? Maharana Pratap Sagar, that is Pong Dam. These are the 3 wetlands. Understood? Can you remember in your mind? So these are the lakes we have seen. And then आपको याद हो गया है तो फटाफट in the 1 minute you can write all the lakes in